Wooja! What's up, everyone? Thank you for joining us on another episode of Launchpad. Wait for it. Yes, I love it. Okay. I discovered in Stream Deck that you can put audio files in there and make it a soundboard. So get ready.
You knew you know what's coming.
Sounds coming in hot. Thank you for joining us. Again, this is Launchpad, where we take something from ideation and get it launched, full projects. And right now we're working on a Twitch chat integration right here in this very chat.
Mhm.
We are going to continue our work on that. I have with me Trevor Blades. Thank you for joining me as always. How
What's
is
up,
it
chat?
going? Um,
It's going really well. Can't complain.
yes, love to hear it.
How are you
Yeah.
doing today, Kurt?
It's going well. I've had a busy day. In case you all don't know, you are seeing our new layouts, our new stream layouts. I hope that you enjoy them because I uh, put a lot of work into them. One day's worth of work, but a lot of work. I really like them. I hope you like them as well. I also cleaned up the code base a little bit, and our sounds should be back. So that's
Nice.
exciting news. Yes. Yeah, I fixed it.
Yeah,
So,
the new overlay looks awesome. I agree with Xander. It is clean.
yes,
It's
thank you.
colorful. It's everything that we could hope for, Kurt. You knocked it out of the park.
Yeah.
And how's everybody in chat doing today? I'm stoked to see some familiar faces and some
Yeah.
new faces or names rather. But
Yeah. Kyle, I'm glad that the stream we did start like 2 or 3 minutes late actually, so it could have been us. Could have been us. But I'm
on
gonna blame
this
it on
clock,
Twitch.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's 3 o'clock somewhere technically. Yeah. Let it be you. Okay, it's you. It's you. Error between user and keyboard, as they say. Um, yeah, but I'm excited, y'all. We left off last week. We had this working. So my question is, I don't know if I have. Let me switch us over to the desktop view so that we can make sure our meme integration is still there. Just- I want to make sure our source is still here for this. Yeah, so we got meme overlay. So let me bring up the properties, make sure it's pointed at. Oh, so this is pointed remote. I'm going to point this one at local host.
Okay.
Local
You're doing that
host.
in a terminal. I don't see any
I'm
any
in
terminal.
I'm in OBS. So in OBS, oh wait, why am I doing that? I don't have to do
Oh,
that.
I
Well, I do
see.
kind of want them to show up on the screen. I thought that would be fun too, right? Like while we develop live, we can get
Oh
them.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
yeah,
localhost
absolutely.
3000 for the memes. Okay.
For the
So
memes.
for the memes, we do it for the memes. Okay. So we should have memes. Blades, would you like to test this out? Would you like to?
Oh, it'd be
Um,
my honor.
oh,
Um, let's see.
let's see here. So I'm gonna go to the channel. Y'all might get some echo for a sec. Oh, I got to the mute first. Yes. I just didn't want to spam you all.
See if that works. Okay.
I did not see.
Nice.
Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Yes, yes. Okay, so we've got our basic meme support popping up on stream. All systems are a go.
Basic memes. I love
Basic,
that.
yeah, basic meme support, MVP meme support. So now we're gonna take this, put some polish on it, right? Like I think
It's the
there's a couple
universal
things.
universal basic meme come.
Yeah, yes, exactly. You get it. So maybe we should just do a quick
Gang gang.
overview, yeah, of a quick overview of how this works. What do you think?
Okay, yeah. Let's do that. Let's get everybody up to speed with
Yeah, yeah,
what we did last episode.
I love it. Okay. And I updated the follows too. We have like a new follow alert. I've been so
All right.
busy. So
You've been on
busy.
top of things, man.
I've been trying.
Unbelievable.
I've been trying new VS Code theme. I'm just like a new person. Really, my
What are
anxiety.
you
Huh?
rocking now?
This
VS
was
Code theme.
made by Joel Glover, our very own
Nice.
designer here at Apollo. This is the actual theme that's in Explorer in Apollo
Mm,
Studio, converted to a VS
un-
Code theme. And it's called Midnight Explorer something, maybe. Let me go.
Okay.
I sent a link to it, so let me see if I can find that real quick if Chrome decides to work. I've got the pinwheel of death right now. So that's fun. Okay, there we go. It is. I don't know why that just did that. Whatever. It is called Apollo Midnight Color Theme.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
Well,
drop a link in chat.
uh, yeah, I was just gonna do that.
Shaboopy.
You can look you can have your VS Code editor look just like Kurt's.
Bum bum
The
bum.
very editor you see here.
The very one.
Uh,
This very one, in fact.
that's really awesome. I might have to take it for a spin.
You should.
I'm
It's
really
beautiful.
enjoying. Dude, I changed my VS Code uh theme like once every 5 years.
Oh
I'm like
wow, not much, huh?
I'm a real yeah no I'm a real
Okay.
um
Loyal fan of themes.
what do you call it? Yeah, yeah, I guess so. I like to settle. I like to really settle into my themes
Yeah.
before changing it up. So right now I'm on Tokyo Night Storm,
Ooh.
which I switched to after like years of using the Atom One Dark Pro or one Atom One Dark theme.
Oh yeah, Adam One Dark.
Um,
That's like the standard, right? That's like it's been
the
well
standard
since
for
Adam.
the Atom
Yeah,
editor.
yeah.
Yeah, so I used to be all about Atom. And then when I came to VS Code, I was like, oh well, I gotta use that. Like I don't I don't want my migration to feel like um too
Jarring.
different.
Yeah, yeah.
Plus the default theme is just kind of doo doo in my opinion.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. Um, cool. Yeah, themes are something that I change not too often, honestly. But with this new layout, I had already tried this one and liked it, had it installed, and Peggy brought up a good point, which was the theme would look great with the new layout, and she called it.
Yeah,
Look at this.
agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect for streaming.
Yeah, so let's break down what just happened when you did that meme there. And so, folks, if you're
Okay.
here, or maybe you've joined in the last minute or two, so I'm just gonna run it again. And yeah, so we run this. We have this new meme command, and I guess maybe it doesn't work if it's the exact same. Why is that not working for? Oh, I'm not. I'm looking at the wrong screen. I'm in OBS. I'm like, where is it? So it probably fired. You probably saw a meme.
I
Yeah.
haven't seen it yet.
Oh, okay. You haven't seen it yet either.
Hmm.
R.I.P. Let's try a different one.
All right.
Um, I can't imagine though that it has to do with. That's weird.
Okay, so now here's a little test. Let's just run the exact same one
Yeah.
and see if that has an effect.
Because if so, then we know we've got some kind of weird bug here.
Hmm.
Which makes me wonder if it's like the on load thing that we're doing with the image on the client because it's
Exactly.
already there. So it's probably just like,
Yes,
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah,
got
yeah.
it.
All right. So before
Uh,
for the folks at home, let's go through. Let's go through what's
yeah,
happening,
yeah, right.
and
See
yeah,
what we've done so.
yeah. So we're gonna start from Twitch chat and like show you what happens when that message goes in. So we're denoting that it's a command with this exclamation mark and meme, and then what this to the stars thing is like RID, the template. So we're gonna support multiple memes. One of those is Khalil with the fist up to the stars. I absolutely love it. It's a great picture. We added a GIF of me getting a hit in the groin by my son. It does take a lot longer for that one to load, but it is still pretty funny. So I'll do this while I talk through it, and then it should pop up like as we go. And then what should it say? How about this? I don't know, just like anything. This is what I named one of the sounds that I have. So we'll just do that. Okay, cool. Whatever, because it's going to pop up. So what happens is we're using Tmijs. And so that's this library here, which basically lets us interact with Twitch chat without having to set it all up essentially on our own. So we, down in our connection for clients on the messages, we do some things like if we match that the message is a type of a command, we're going to do something with it. We get the command out. I won't go like, too deep into it. Hey!
There it is.
But yeah, so we go down into the messages. Depending on what the command is, we do different things. This is how the sound works. This is how the meme generation stuff works. And yeah, so what we do is we, in this instance, we're using Cloudinary, right? So we want to put templates into, we have a couple templates in Cloudinary, and then we can just use Cloudinary to transform on top of the image and add things like text. So here we're doing an overlay and we're saying like font family impact, font size, and we have to do some tidying up here, like restricting the width of the text so that it moves up, like is something we haven't done yet. We'll have to do that. And then, and then we've got like our nice little, what do you call that? Like a stamp, like a watermark. We got a little Apollo GraphQL watermark. But here's the interesting part. This pops up. This is our GraphQL subscription, and we're sending this down to the client. Display meme with the meme information, which is just the URL that we get back that's generated from Cloudinary. So we could actually console log this URL, open it in a browser, and it would generate said meme for us. So that's it. That's the server side. Server side. Let's go look at the clients real quick, and then we'll be caught up. So then when it comes to the clients, we have our hook for the memes. And so what we do here is we listen for the subscription, right? Or that's our query. Here's where we actually do the listening. So we subscribe to this subscription. We just want a meme. Anytime there's a meme, give me the meme. We're going to push it onto there, and then we're going to do it. You can only run one meme every 5 seconds right now. I think we could probably stand to go a little faster than that. Maybe like one meme per second, just so people can't like spam too many memes too fast. What do you think is a good level? Because don't forget, we want the meme to come in and animate out.
Right. Maybe we can, like, if you describe what the timeout is doing here. So like the reason we have the timeout is just to prevent if let's just say two people submit a meme at the same time or milliseconds apart. We want each one to like get its time on the screen. And what this timeout is doing is it's just kind of like going through the queue. Basically what happens when a new meme gets typed in the chat, it gets added to this essentially like a queue. And that's what we're going through here is this value constant is spending 5 seconds looking at each meme in the queue before advancing on to the next one here. So the question is 5 seconds enough time for one image before it gets overwritten? I think 5 seconds is probably good.
I think it's good.
If we want to go shorter, we can. I think we could probably cut that down to 3 or something like that. I feel like 1 might be too fast.
It's way too fast. I forgot that like it has to come in and go out. Like 3 would probably be too fast because it's a meme. Like you want to have time to read what it says. Yeah. So I think let's stick with 5 and like maybe we even end up at 6 or 7. I don't know. I feel like 5 is pretty good. Let's start there, and we'll go from there. YOLO. Okay. So now the next question is, what do we need to do next? So we've got the functionality in. Oh, right. We didn't finish the walkthrough. So this is just how we yield our value. Like this is our hook. This is a custom hook. Mm-hmm. So as such, we need to use this like within a component, a functional component. So we have these overlays here. And so the way that this client is broken up, so I guess I also never, did we just go, are we still live? Yes.
Yeah, we're live.
Okay, that was weird. I, it just like
What's going
flipped.
on?
I had the stream open and it flipped over to like
Oh.
a preview. Like it's like, and then it says we're not live. Oh yeah, you're not live. Yes, we are. Nice, Kyle. Thank you. Yeah, that was weird. I just, I don't know. The stream flipped over to like the starting scene for me on Twitch. I don't know
Oh,
why.
wow.
Yeah, that's really weird. But cool. As long as we
Spooky.
didn't stop streaming. Cool. Yeah, so this is just the hook. So we have these overlays, and for folks who aren't aware, the layout that you're seeing on stream right now, aside from my VS Code, like my desktop and our audio and video, is all coming from this app, this React app. So this powers all of the Apollo stream functionality, like for the most part. So we have overlays and then we have full scenes. So like uh, these BRB restricted area starting, those are like the scenes. And then what you're seeing, like launch pad scene, those all come out of here because it's like only a couple properties are changed. So we just reuse the component. But
Mm.
the overlays are the things. So like the chat that you see actually comes from this overlay. It's in its own browser source. The memes are in their own browser source. Follows.
Hmm.
And so that's
So
how.
they're each
Yeah.
each their own React component. Everything
Yeah.
on the stream is just a React component.
Pretty much.
Um,
Yeah. Pretty.
and then we then and then I think that you touched on it, but we just we can target specific React components as layers in the stream layout using React Router. So we expose one component at a particular route, and then just point our Streamlabs
Exactly.
layer to that route.
Yep. So our meme is we're actually just pointing to a Netlify URL slash memes. And then I have that overlay sitting, that layer in OBS sitting on top of all the other layers, and boom, you get memes. That's how it works. Yeah, so that's kind of the full flow. So
Meme delivery system.
it's a meme delivery system powered by GraphQL and React. Is really what it is. And yeah. So there's a couple things. Oh, that's right. Cool. We figured out a couple things we wanted to do. But here's the actual component. It doesn't do a lot except see this is where we get fed the meme from our custom hook. So every 5 seconds, if somebody has created a meme, this will update. And then if it's been longer than 5 seconds, you'll just get it like immediately. It's a throttling queue, so it's not going to like hold every one it gets for. It's just it will only hold for 5 seconds if it gets more than one within a 5 second period. And it's FIFO, first in, first out.
Okay,
Yeah.
love a good acronym.
Yeah, it's a first in, first out queue is essentially what that hook is.
Okay.
Yeah, with a 5 second throttle. Do you feel smarter now, chat? It's like I just went computer science on you. Okay, so yeah. Oh wait, oops. There you go.
Nice. We never have to ask for applause again.
I swear to goodness that me discovering using Stream Deck as a soundboard is going to be the best and the worst thing to ever happen. Prince, let me tell you something. I've had my eyes opened. Not only that, but we've also added the sounds from our Jam Spam experiment into the chat, so you can like make certain sounds in chat if you want. But yeah, Stream Deck as a soundboard. It's like nothing I've ever seen. Okay. Sorry. Derailment over. Oh, that's amazing. Okay. All right.
This stream is becoming just like a fucking pit of memes.
Yeah, by the time we're done, it's just people are just gonna come hang out for an hour making weird noises and like funny memes, and then we're all just gonna go on with our day.
Yeah, yeah. At the very least, it's like a good place to release some energy.
Yeah, yeah, it is. It is. This is what it's for. This is what it's to have fun while we do this, you know? Yeah, so here's our component. So it's interesting because, again, we want to we're using framer motion. So we need this idea of like a life cycle for this component because we want to have it come in and then animate out. And the way that we're able to do that is we use an effect. And so if there is a current meme, um, uh, if it's not like, oh, this is what's happening. This is what's happening.
What's that?
This is why we can't do duplicates because meme is a string, a URL, and the URL will be the same if you do the same meme 2 times in a row. This is why sounds weren't working properly. Like if we do bop and then bop,
no kidding.
the string hasn't changed. Strings don't work like that. So what I
Okay.
did was wrapped it in an object, just in the hook, not on the server level. So it's a new object each time with like a property ID in it, and that works. So we could do the same thing here.
Great.
So that
Yeah, we can do the same thing.
yeah, that's the fix here. But so once we have we create an image, we set the source. We also use GIFs, which could take a long time to load, so that's why we're doing like the on load to show it. Yeah, and then so that's how we display. So if we come down here, if we're not stale and there's a current image, we're going to use motion image to show it. And then what happens is once that timeout fires, we remove current, we set current to null, and that tells framer motion exit animation. Run this exit. And that's that, folks. We then import this page in our React app into the OBSs, and memes. Memes appear.
That's it.
And that
Hey, so that makes that's kind of interesting. It makes me think, like, if current gets set to null, then this check is gonna pass. The if current is not equal meme. If we set current to null after the timeout, like we will get past this. I think like this will definitely fail if the same meme gets posted twice in a row.
Yes, because we don't set current to null currently. We should.
Oh, we don't, eh?
Here.
Oh.
That's the problem.
Yeah. There we go. And this might be enough.
That might be enough to fix it. Boop.
Because all this means is that you can't spam the same meme. You have to wait. If you want to post the same meme 2 times in a row, you have to wait until it's finished and then post it. Which it's like kind of feels like a hack, but it's also
probably good. Like, why do you want the same meme?
Probably good.
Yeah, why do you want the same meme over and over again?
Be original.
Yeah. Come on. You can't duplicate the meme unless you're testing, at which point the 5 seconds is going to feel like eternity. But that's how it goes.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, but now, can we test this right now? Is this gonna just work?
Let me reload the source.
Okay. You let me know.
It's done. TM.
Ready.
TM. It just works. Yeah.
Okay. So when I go computer science, that works.
Yes, but it's all of the memes. I should add the Ye Claw thing in here with like a blank space on it, so then we could like custom Ye Claw memes for the Rust folks, for the Rustations.
Yeah. By the way, if anybody in chat has ideas for meme templates that they would like, now
it's just not leaving.
We actually don't. We go computer science and never go back. Oh,
no, I hit refresh. I took it off.
Oh.
So what did we do?
What did we do?
This broke it.
How? Oh, because okay, so we actually have to say okay, because when we set current to null,
yeah,
then it runs this effect again because current
Ah,
our dependency array. And so it just runs this effect again, and indeed,
yeah,
null is not equal to the meme.
yeah. So
So
it's
it gets
gonna,
set again, and then unset, and then set, and so on.
and just in an endless loop, right?
Yeah.
So,
So what the heck?
okay, that's not a good solution. Let's take that out.
Maybe we go. Maybe we use the objects method that you were talking about. That would work.
Yeah, that definitely works. It worked for sounds. So let's try that. Okay,
All right.
so
If it worked for sounds, let's see if the laws of the auditory world apply to the visual.
apply to
We
memes.
will.
Do sound effects and memes share the same? Oh my God. So
Yeah.
yeah, so what I did here was like I just wrapped it in an object, a new object each time with an ID
Awesome.
called sound. So we can basically copy
Yep.
this out and then do the same thing here.
Great.
Yeah, oops. I double yield. Yield. Do you yield? Uh,
Ye-
cool. So we'll just say
Yeah.
like that.
I mean, we
Yeah,
could.
just do that.
If like, you could just do this.
Even
right?
better. Even better. Yep. Let me see. It didn't save on my side. There we go. So
My my. I don't have the power to save.
so now it'd be meme.meme. I can't. It's just like I can't have meme.meme. It's gonna drive me nuts.
It's okay. You can't you just do. No.
Oh wait, I
You got
can't
it.
do
You just
that.
go
Yeah.
like call it meme again.
And then go
Check it out.
before it. Oh, you're gonna alias it?
No, not even.
Oh,
If you just then back in
destructure.
the thing, yeah, just destructure that,
Goodness gracious. You know
and
what?
then we done.
You know what?
We out.
You would think I code sometimes, but I don't. All right, so now we got it and be
Okay, so
out.
you does value now the question is the default value of value destructurable
No,
or is it null?
it is null. So yeah, can't
Uh,
undefined or null. Yeah, so because the initial value. But we could fix that. We could fix that. We can. Because if there's no value
I'm following you.
or an empty
Boom.
object, but meme probably still has to. No, it should be fine if it's an empty
Nope.
object.
It's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
It's undefined, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Okay, so we got
Being
our
undefined.
stream back.
Okay.
So what now? This is on uh, GitHub. Sorry. Boom. Yes, it worked. Yeah,
Yeah.
we got like commands in here. We're like
Double
a
tap.
real stream. Like, you know?
We are real ass stream.
Oh, I totally forgot about this. I haven't been clipping anything. Yo, I got clip buttons in here now. I can make clips, sound effects, whatever you need. We got it.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's really fun. Prince, it's like cool. It's like an easy way, just like LP project. I think you could do, if you want to know what commands are available, we added dash dash help, right? Yeah, yeah,
That's like especially for like a programming related
yeah,
channel. I think this is perfect.
yeah. We got two of them though, and I think because my local is running as well as the
Yeah.
yeah. All right. So let's see. What's next?
Okay, so now this should pass. Oh, wait a minute. This actually doesn't resolve this check because since we're destructuring this meme is still just a string,
Oh. But
right?
oh yeah, we can't destructure here. It has to be the object because
Yeah.
otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be the
Yeah.
string. So whatever, it's meme.meme. Like such is life.
Meme.url I think is probably
All right.
fine if you don't want to do meme dot or meme.meme.
Whoa, whoa, that hurt. That repo's private. You got 404, or did I type it wrong? Let's go to
Oh.
GitHub. That's the best way to find out.
Yeah, it's 404. K Kempe Apollo Stream Skeens.
Oh, I put skeins.
No, that's actually how you spell scenes,
Oh,
but
yeah. Okay.
maybe.
Maybe it is private. I don't know why it would be private. Do I have like keys floating around in there? No. I would never. I would. No. Yeah? No. Yeah? No. Oh, it's Apollo dash GraphQL dash stream scenes. Ugh.
Oh. Yeah? No.
Yeah? No.
Apollo GraphQL stream scenes. Oh, that's too much for the character limit of
I
Twitch chat.
yeah. No, I think I just put it in wrong. I left out GraphQL when I updated the thing. So here's the cool thing. Well, Devs, what's up? Here's the cool thing. We can just go in here since we're like already in here, and let's fix that because it's just
Okay.
a big old blob of text right here.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for debugging that live. Shout out Kyle. Much appreciated, bud.
Dude, we've been. This is not the first time that we've linked to this via LP project too. So like,
I know.
people in the past must have just been like, "Oh, cool, thanks. All right." Click
404.
404. All right.
Yeah. What a bunch of
Kyle was
jerks.
just the first one who actually spoke out about it.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so that's fixed. All right, so what's next? What do we got? We had a list of things we wanted to do. Oh wait, we never checked if this is fixed. Is link bot next? It should be. Check our links. Yeah. All right, so we set this to meme.url and we set this to meme URL here, so we should be good here. Do we want to? And it's definitely. Let me refresh this. Okay, we should be okay.
So current should be current.url down here on line 58, right?
Oh, right, because that's in a.
Because we're setting current to meme, the object.
Yep.
And then, so we on line 58 we want to say current.url, right?
Yeah. Here's a very interesting question. Here we're using current. I think we just went off the rails, but here we're putting the image source to meme. Help me figure out how.
Oh, this is just to trigger the onload, so that when we eventually pass it
That's right. That's
current,
right.
or like the JSX version,
Yes.
that we can be sure that it's already loaded.
Exactly. So that when our animation starts, we know for sure this meme exists. Is loaded locally. Truly it is. Okay, so here we go. Let's save this. So it's saved.
Okay.
And now we should have memes again.
And now we meme.
And now we meme. I love it.
What do you mean by that? All right, I'm gonna go computer science.
Okay.
And we'll see what happens.
Boom.
Okay.
Try it again.
So I go computer science once.
Go computer
right?
science again.
What happens when I go computer science the second time?
Yo, no one will ever look as awesome as Khalil does in that picture. Can we just take a moment to appreciate that pose?
That works. I mean, I gotta give some shout out to the photographer, whoever that was.
Yeah,
I mean,
that was you, right?
Was
that you?
It's mostly them, I think.
That's a good call. Did you take that picture?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did actually. You can tell?
Yeah, absolutely. I've seen your work. I could tell.
Dude, my camera on my phone, I don't know if you can see this very well,
yeah.
but right now it is.
Oh yeah.
It is in rough shape.
Yeah.
It's not.
No, oh well, I couldn't see the camera, but I could see the corner, and that was indication enough. Go the other way, in front of you, like to the other side. Move the camera lens to your left.
My side, this side.
Yeah, there it is. All right.
Pretty bad.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty rough.
So all my photos now look like they're taken by What's something even more primitive than a potato?
Have you ever seen the Pringles cameras, or like one made from like a thousand straws, or yeah, there's a lot of other weird, interesting cameras out there, but
There's
we
like
can
a
go on.
camera you can make with a tissue box, like you
Yep.
poke a hole.
Yeah.
A camera obscura, I think it's what it's
Yeah.
called.
You can make
Yeah.
VR headset with tissue box.
When Oculus is sold out, just go get a Kleenex.
Oh, you went on a call? You've missed the entire stream, dude. We're wrapping up, Dom. Like, we literally just cleaned everything up and we're out of here.
Psych.
Ugh. Oh, crap. Jinx. All right, let's say what is next? What are we like? We actually got to do something, right? Let's code. We
Yes. So
we had a list somewhere.
we had a to do in the overlay.
Oh, in the overlay, that's where it is. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, so we want to do a bubble sound, so it's like whoop when it comes in. I hate you.
Yep.
I love you, Dom. I don't care. I still love you. Yeah, and then I don't know what this other stuff that we have console logged out is. Do we need this? Oh, that's for the sound. That's like we want to do a whole. So that's where we left off. We should go find a bubble sound, I think, right?
Yes, let's do it.
So I've been using, thanks to the input from Blades, freesound.org. Oh, a treasure trove, literal treasure trove of amazing sounds.
Yeah, I'm excited just to see what we find here.
Bubble. Actually, let's do like bubble pop, right?
Sure.
Let's get specific. Pop.
Pop.
Oh, do I have Chrome in? Yes,
Like
I do. Let me.
What they call soda in Minnesota.
Let me turn this up a bit for the folks at home, or not.
Right, guys?
Or not.
Kurt, are you what do you call soda? Do you call it soda, pop?
Pop? No, I call it
Coke?
freaking soda. Let me get a soda.
Okay.
That's what it is. If I want a Coke, I'll ask for a Coke. But
yeah, okay. So there's like a map on the internet about this,
where it's called like soda and pop.
Yeah, like what?
Yeah.
A map the distribution of like these like colloquial terms for a carbonated sugary beverage.
Yeah.
And yeah, apparently in like Texas they call all sodas Coke.
Yeah.
Everything is Coke.
Yeah.
Fritz. You can vouch for it.
Yeah.
Guys.
Let me get a Coke.
I had a feel.
Yeah. I'll have a Coke. What is that from? I can't remember. All right, you ready?
Right. Well, there's the liter of cola in Super Troopers.
Liter of cola. That's what I'm thinking of. I'll have a liter of cola. We don't make liter of cola, right? Isn't that like?
We don't make liter of cola.
A fizz flask?
Oh, I like that.
A bubble bottle? Whoa, those are cooler names.
Do you live in Middle Earth or something?
Yeah, right? Middle Earth. Can y'all hear this? Let me know if you can hear these sounds.
Let's see. I gotta unmute the stream.
These are fake.
Yeah, I'm hearing the bubbles.
Cool.
I only hear it through the stream though because it's because I don't know if you can share your desktop audio via Skype.
Oh no, I could share my desktop audio with you if you would like. I could add that very quickly.
I'd love that.
Oh sure, hang on. Let me show the folks at home how I do that. So I'm on Mac. Okay. Your desktop audio on Mac can be difficult from any of your apps. So I purchased this app called Loopback, and I can create all of these different types of virtual devices, whether it's just an individual application or some of them joined together. So right now I have us on mic and Stream Deck. Let me just, I'm just going to add Chrome to this one for now.
Whose mic?
Boom. My mic. So this is, oh. Uh,
No, we need an applause for that one. There we go.
all right, so now I've got Chrome here in Skype. So let's run a test. Why don't you mute that stream and let's see if this works. Let me move this over so I can like.
Okay.
I didn't.
Oh
even,
yeah.
You heard it? I didn't even hear it. Oh, I have
okay.
it set to. I bet it's on mute on. Yeah, mute when capturing. That is one thing you have to catch. Like if you want it to pass through, there we go. So now I can hear it too. Everyone there. Yeah, got a nice pop there. Yeah, I like this pop. This is a good one, right?
Good pop.
Yeah,
Let's hear.
It's like a perfect like finger in the mouth pop.
Right.
Right. Let's see if I can line it up.
What was the sound that you made when you were describing it? Like a boop?
I was like a boop, boop.
You know how people do that thing with their cheek, like
whoop, water drop. That's what it is. It's like a water drop. Should we?
Let's maybe look for that. Just what you can do is you can actually bookmark sounds in free sound. So
let me go back.
If you want to bookmark the pop that you like,
yeah, bookmark.
You can do that.
Just did.
Bookmark the whoop.
And
then play them all back.
And water drops. Like. Yo, that would be pops and water drops. That's that's my category. That sounds like an album. Yeah. All right. Okay. Water drop. Let's do it. Yeah. Boop. Exactly. You got it. We just want a single boop. Water drop. Mm-hmm. Oof. Oh. That is way too wet. Oh.
That's too much.
That was terrible. All right, so look at the wave. If you see a lot of stuff, move on.
Yes.
Oh. It was quite moist.
Hey Kyle, that sounds like some bathroom activity.
Yeah, that did not sound pleasant in the least bit. This is pretty water droppy.
Let's hear it again. Okay. One more. Oh.
Right?
That's pretty good.
It's not bad.
Yeah. Let's keep looking for maybe a minute.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we're only on page 1, you know?
Yeah, but who goes to page 2?
Oh!
That's a big dump. That's like an outhouse poop or something.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Okay. All right. Maybe drip. These are weird.
That's like a drop in a tin bucket.
These are so weird. I don't want to go any further. Don't make me do any more.
Dom says quite moist.
Water Drop 4 was good. I think so too. Water Drop 4 was a good one.
I think we got it. We're going into dangerous territory.
We really are. I like this one. Either this one or the original. Oh, right. Record scratch. I'm just gonna download that.
Right.
Yeah. I'm gonna definitely get that.
Even just as like a thing on your stream deck.
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking. Right? So let me grab this one for the actual meme thing.
Can we set that up?
Oh,
on stream too?
Yeah. Oh, I'm about to do it right now.
Great.
Oh yeah.
So we got our drop.
Yeah. So now we need a record scratch. Ew.
Oh. Okay. Now I'm thinking like Malcolm in the Middle.
Yeah. Oof.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good, but it's too long. Like I don't want to trim it. Here we go. Whoa, they went hard.
No. Not the vibe we're going for.
Too abrupt. Ew.
No.
Whoa. Aliens. Okay. How do I stop you? There we go. Okay. Alrighty. This one is good. I'm gonna just trim it. We'll trim it down. That's what we'll do.
Okay.
We'll get it and we'll trim it.
Can we hear it one more time?
Yes. I'm waiting for it to end. Okay, so hang on. Oh, that kind of
Yeah, that's good.
it's okay. What do we think? I don't love
It
it.
kind of pops at the beginning, eh?
Yeah, but I think I can fade that and then lower the volume a little bit inside of Stream Deck, and
Oh,
we'll be good
audio
to go.
engineer Kurt.
Huh?
Dude, this is turning into an audio engineering stream.
Hey, it is what
Oh,
it
we'll
is.
tone down the levels on dB
Yeah.
0.6 by zero point 0.5 decibels.
Let me open up Adobe Audition real quick as we blah 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 blah. That's actually what I'm about to do though, so I mean, don't laugh too
You
hard.
can you can kind of see that even in the waveform. You can see where that like
Yep.
pop
Yep. Oh,
happens
it's all
before the
going
actual
away.
records.
It's all going
Um,
away.
you should be able to just open it in QuickTime and cut it. I
No.
think.
Okay.
No,
Oh, I don't know. That was like a no. No, not like a no. No.
not an affirmative no.
Yeah, yeah. That was like a more of a
We don't
question.
use QuickTime around here.
So this is what I got. Edit, clip,
So
trim.
press Command T. Yeah.
My whole life is a lie. My whole life is a lie. I've been opening Audition every time I want a quick cut.
Oh man, what are you doing?
Apparently, not the right things.
Spend your time quickly, if you know what I mean.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Perfect. Trim. Cool. File.
Mhm.
Save. There we go.
That's it.
Cool. Record scratch. It's in documents. So now I'll show you all how I do this. Let me bring over Stream Deck. Boop. So here's Stream Deck. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Can y'all see that? Whoa. What just happened? Oh, it switched my thing. Oh, this is being so weird. It does not like being over here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the song. I was like, what is this button? That's freaking Spotify play button. Way to scare me. Okay, I didn't know what was happening. So we have all these different sources here on the right side. And so these menus are how and they have like a bunch more actions that you can find. I probably shouldn't have clicked that. It's like not running very well. But yeah, it like won't let me bring the windows over here. It does not like being on screen. There we go. So you can get like other kinds of programs. I should not have done this. There we go. Oh, come on. Is the stream okay?
Stream looks fine to me.
All right, because I can't get that window to close, but whatever. All right, maybe I can. Oh, but now it's gonna spinny wheel me. Okay, you want to play like this? Fine.
Oh,
I know how to solve that.
humanity.
Activity monitor, Stream Deck.
Hate to see you go, Stream Deck, but
Yeah, well, goodbye.
gotta cooperate.
Yeah, that ain't it. Stream Deck. That
Mhm.
ain't it. Okay. Okay, so boop. All right, so it started. So let me get the UI back up. Okay, so we should be good now. All right, so now it's like behaving. So anyway, this is where you get your different sounds or like different options from. So this one here is called Soundboard. It just like exists as part of Stream Deck. So I'm going to take Play Audio and drag it onto this spot. And so then I can set a title. So for this, I'll just call it record to keep it short so I know what it is. I'll choose the file.
Mhm.
So this is loading pretty slowly. It's off screen. I'm going to choose that record scratch, open it. So there we go. So we've got record scratch. Now what I'm going to do, I can test it already. So there it is, a little loud.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. A little loud. So we bring it
we
down.
Can tone it down.
Yeah, tone it down, and we're gonna fade it in at 1 second, and let's see what that gets us. It's pretty good.
Still pretty loud.
Yeah, it's a little loud. Let's bring it down. What do we think?
I'd bring it down a little bit more. Maybe my head. Oh, that one was a little abrupt. Let's try it again.
All right, hang on. I'm gonna check it on the stream like OBS. I want to see what it's coming through as.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too loud on stream. That should be about right.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about it like in comparison. Oh yeah, I guess compared to
It's
that one,
similar.
pretty
It's
good.
just a more abrupt sound. Like I don't know that
Yeah.
I could fade it into 2 seconds. Let's try that. And then.
Yeah, then in that case, we only get like the end. We don't get like the initial. Yeah.
So maybe no fade in. Let's try that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's good. How was that? Was that loud? Chat, let me know how that sounds to y'all. But I'm gonna stop because that's like a big derailment. I think that's good for now, right? Like we got
plenty.
Yeah.
Plenty for now.
Yeah. So multi-actions are really cool because this is how I'm doing two sounds at the same time. So I'm doing like a single person clap and the sad trombone, and that's how I get that cool effect.
Yes.
Of this. Which I think is pretty sweet. Okay, I think we're good here. I think our job is done. Oops. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. That can be closed. Okay, so we've got that. We've got our... Oh, that's record scratch. But we've got our other audio as well. So why don't we actually open that in QuickTime? Because I think... Didn't that need some cleaning up as well? It seemed like a very long file for...
The boop?
Yeah, the boop.
Let's take a look. Yeah.
First, I gotta find it. Was this the boop or the record scratch? Oh, that's
definitely. It can't hurt to clean it up. If it's the main thing that we want to do with sounds, like sounds that are supposed to kind of like represent an action, is we want to make sure that the sound that we don't care so much about the end time. We care about the lead time. We want to make sure that like starts in a timely manner.
Yes, agreed.
But if it fades out over a matter of seconds, it's usually no problem.
Yeah, I think I lost my water drop. I can't remember which one it is. It's got to be this one.
Must be.
Oh God, what are you gonna open in? Oh hell no, hell no.
Where are we opening up?
Apple Music.
Oh yeah, iTunes is no longer a thing, eh?
I don't know. I never used it. Never used it.
No, it's just called. They have a music app and a podcast app now.
Huh. Oh, I found it.
iTunes.
Oh wait, yeah, that's the water drop. We went with water drop, right?
We did.
This doesn't need any
trimming.
With water. Yeah, it's good to go. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring this over so y'all can see what the F I'm doing. So I'm gonna take this and rename it to water drop. Boop, and we're gonna move it.
Okay.
Projects. Apollo GraphQL stream scenes. Client. Source. And then we have an assets, right? Sounds. Perfect. Cool. So there it is. So now we have water drop in there as well as our other sounds. Shaboopy. So let's close that. Let's close this.
Shaboopy indeed.
Let's close that. Shaboopy indeed. Okay. Boom. Yeah, it is hot in here. Like,
is it?
Oh, I need to like turn the AC on here in a sec. I'm like sweating to death. It's just like, you ever just like not realize, like you get some in the zone with something and then like you don't even realize, like I'm like sweating right now and I'm just chilling. Just chilling. Let me turn on the AC super quick and then we'll.
Yeah.
I just have to go to my little website-y thing here. It should only take a second. But while we're doing that, actually, let me jump back to VS Code because it's going to take a minute for it to load. We can see here in our sounds, it has been added. So now we have water drop. Oh, it's a dot wave. That shouldn't matter though, right?
Nope, that's totally fine. The only thing with wave files is that it means that the length or the file size is a lot larger.
Yeah.
Waves are basically uncompressed audio. So if we want
Lossless.
to, if it's important to us, for example, like if I was building like an app
Yeah.
that people were going to use, and it was going to, like, the sounds were important to the user experience, I would those sounds load whatever network the person is on.
Got it. Yeah. I mean, that makes sense. But in this case, we're using this is browser like sources for OBS. We're a little.
Yeah, and it's just for our own.
Yeah.
If we did want to compress it, some formats that we would in F4A. For anybody out there who's thinking about doing something, those are probably the formats that you want to look at.
Cool. So we've got our water drop. We're going to change this to a water drop. Yeah, playback rate. I don't think we need this part. I think I had that for the way the follows work. If we get like follows, like back to back before like the animation ends,
and short the audio.
Yeah, like the playback rate actually gets a little faster and it gets a little louder. It's like it's pretty neat. Anyway,
into infinity,
into and beyond.
Yeah.
Okay, so on load, we already know we're gonna do this. So here is where we want to call play.
Dude, what happened to us? We used to
do things.
To have features. We used to do things. We used to look like something. Now we're just a big old white failed to compile screen.
Well, it's because we didn't import use sound. That's my bad.
Hey, what's going on, Jordan? Vape Juice Jordan just hit us with a bat read.
That might be bad.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, might be awesome.
We gotta fix our stream layout.
Yeah. Here, let's fix it. Is it fixed? I lost OBS.
Oh.
Hey, we're back.
Are we back?
Yeah, we are back. Yo, this is a huge raid.
What's going on, everybody?
Yo!
Hope your stream was good.
That's awesome.
What did you guys get up to today? Maybe some Angular, perhaps?
Seems like it. Yo, okay, we're back up. We should have sounds. Yo, that's a good call. Oh, nice. You were working on React and GraphQL as well? Nice.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Relay is cool. Yo, we don't knock it.
You don't discriminate.
No, yeah. Use the GraphQL tools you need. I don't care what that is. Hell yeah. That's awesome. All right, cool. So for all of y'all who are dropping in, what we're doing is we're making a Twitch chat integration so that you can actually create memes and they'll show up on the stream. That's what we're doing right now. Yeah, Blaze, why don't you give them an example? And
yeah.
Most of the stream layout here is actually built with React and GraphQL as well. So we're like in the app, we're working on this, boom, and then there it goes. Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, which actually...
with a nice sound effect.
Oh, it worked. I didn't even catch that. It worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try that again. Because I noticed something that the text went wide. So we got to figure that out next. Yeah, the water drop is great.
Do text wrapping. And you know what? It's very convenient that Dom is in the chat.
Ain't it though?
Maybe he could help point us in the right direction. Text too far and adds letterboxing to this meme.
Yeah, this is recorded, so this will absolutely be recorded. It'll be on, that's way too long. It'll be on Twitch for a while, and then all of the videos get uploaded to the Apollo GraphQL YouTube channel. Okay, so, and actually, if you want to
a link to our YouTube,
it won't work. It's still going to be broke because that hasn't been deployed. So if you do, Oh, we don't have a link to YouTube. That should be added. That's a good idea. Let's do that. Should we do
Anyway,
that?
I'll yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, I will do that. As a matter of fact, we need to go in here anyway, because we got to figure out how to fix these transforms, like how to set a width is really what we need on this one. Oh, Todd in chat as well. What's
Yes.
up, y'all?
Right,
Everyone
right. We
is
could
here.
set like a fixed width.
Yeah, which we can do. You just set width. I think it's just like W, like literally.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then you set a number, and that's it. So in this case, our widest, if we're portrait. Oh, new follow. Thank you all for the follow. I don't know if I heard it though. Did y'all hear that?
I didn't hear it, but that's probably normal because it's not going through loopback. But Blaze It, thank you for the follow. Exo Swarm, Teddied, and Aresia. Thank you guys all for the follow.
Yeah, seriously.
Appreciate
Much love, y'all. Yeah, OBS is not having fun today for some reason. I wonder if it's because the local source. Yo, Sweet Bahal, thank you for that follow. So the sound is going off. Hopefully it's not blaringly loud, y'all. I just realized it was too loud and turned it down some. I just moved to like this being its own custom source. Hopefully that's working a little better. All right. Let's see. What do we got going on? Next step. Yeah, let's do this. So I think we just say like width.
So we want to add a width to this. Now the width needs to be the width of the image, right?
Yeah, and we don't have that.
I wonder if is there a way to do that, like to tell Cloudinary just use the width of whatever image, whatever the template image is or something.
If only there was someone in chat who worked at Cloudinary and had experience with this. Oh.
Cloudinary text with.
Let's see if Dom gets there first.
Image. Yeah. It's a race. Okay. I found a potential.
Drop a link. Oh, real nice, Dom. No, we're trying to figure out, is it possible to set the bounds of the text to the width of the image? Like, is that something you could do in the Cloudinary API? Because, like, if it's like a... You found it?
Yeah. So this one... there's this article about relative size overlays. I think we can just pass 1.0.
Oh, what are you going to open over here?
To indicate that we want the thing to fit 100% of the image's width.
Yeah, like constrain the overlay text, exactly.
And so then flag. This is what the article is saying. We want to say F1 relative. I don't know what F1 means, but
I think FL.
Yeah, constrain the overlay indeed. So in the section right below the one that you're looking at there, Kurt, is
here
an example. At the very bottom, they show like a black bar with width, blah blah blah, and some text. But I think this F1 relative.
I think that's it.
An important part.
I think it's FL relative.
Oh, is it?
I don't know.
It's not like.
Yeah, I think it's an L. FL relative. Let's try it. But what would
FL relative? You're right.
Yeah, what would that property be called in this transformation?
In the SDK.
Yeah. Maybe Dom knows that. If not, I'm gonna go Google that too real quick.
So I noticed that here, transformation flags, we might our flag might just be the parameter column of the left.
Oh, that's what FL is for. It is for flag. That's right.
Yeah. So I think that you might have to add. Let's see if they have an example here. SDK. Oh, URL. Okay, so check this out. This page. Does the relative size overlays have this too? Yeah, dude. If you go back to the relative size overlays thing.
That post.
Yeah, go back to that post, and all of the code blocks at the very top. There is some very small text that shows.
Oh, examples like
a
Node.js.
Number of different languages. So we want to probably check off Node.js.
Got it. Got it.
That's what we're using. And so
Yeah.
in here, yeah, we could just say flags : relative.
But now, does that go within? Yeah, I was putting that in the wrong place anyway. This should be within here.
In the overlay.
Yeah. Yep, that should be there. And then what are we going to set the width to? Like 90%? 80%?
Let's do, yeah, I think 80% is good. I think the flags thing goes within the overlay.
Oh, right,
block.
right. Ah, damn it, wrong line. Okay.
No worries.
There we go. Boom. So that's in there. And then, so we set the overlay width. Yeah, so here it would be W like 0.8, I think is how you do percentages. I think that's it.
Yeah. If it has to be a
String,
because both of these in the example are both strings, and they use numbers elsewhere, like for opacity and font size and stuff like that. But they
yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. Oh, height. Yeah, 0.1, 1.0. Perfect. Okay, let's try it.
Okay, cool. Would you like to do the honors this time?
Yeah, let's do it. Boom. Meme.
Puts the onus on you for thinking about a clever meme to say.
Oh, yeah.
Good luck.
I know. I feel like the water drop happens a little late in comparison to that. It did work. Wait, what did we do?
Okay.
We need more text. Duh.
Yeah.
While you do that, though, I'm going to move play to before we set current, and then that should hopefully get us the order of operations that we want. Let me save this. Oh, I think because I was in the middle of saving, you might want to do it again. I probably broke you. Yeah, have fun retyping that. Oh, it popped up for a second, and it was still too wide.
Okay. Maybe is there like a thing? Cloudinary text wrapping. Can text overlay be auto wrapped? Oh, here we check this out. This Cloudinary docs link actually like talks about our exact
situation
problem that we're facing here. Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Auto wrap. Like, I know you can just set a width, but that's pixel based, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, the scale, which will do that.
Yeah. I think what we want to do is fit crop. And here's a little doc. Wait, multi-line text. Yeah. So this documentation article, multi-line text.
Whoa.
So
yeah, my computer is chugging today. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with you. Get it together. Yeah, all right.
Yeah. So where's our Cloudinary generator?
That is in. Yo, what is going on with you?
Width. Outside.
Oh. Yeah, let's try it.
Can you save it?
Yeah, sure. Maybe. If my computer would work. There we go.
The flag.
Let's try it.
Using. Okay.
God, what is going on? Wow, this is getting dangerous. I might.
The
No, my like mouse is like not responding like well, and then like when I click down and it lifts up, it like is like highlighting everything, like it's like not releasing. It's like because it's like behind. I heard the drop, but I didn't see anything.
Yeah, I saw the thing. It's still not wrapping, unfortunately.
Okay.
Thing. Okay. Well, let me think here. What might we do? I'm just gonna try something here. I'm gonna go width. We'll just say width 500, and I think that's it.
Okay.
Width 500, crop fit.
Let's see what happens. Oh man, it's not
Let's
saving
see.
for you. All right, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
You get
Yeah,
it?
I just saved it.
Okay.
And we wait.
Anything?
I'm not even. Yeah, I didn't even hear the sound.
Yeah, me
Dude, oh,
neither.
we might have broke it. It might not have returned URL.
Maybe we just. I'm gonna console log.
Like the image might not have loaded, which we can check. I have this open. So this should be.
Da-da. Overlay text. Okay. Yeah. So I want to. I'm console logging the meme, like of the. Are calling. And stuff like that. Oh, server's now running on.
That's weird.
I got. 4,000.
I'm getting no connection errors. Yeah.
Can you try?
Yeah.
Strange.
I'm gonna see if the server stopped. Like, no, there we go. It's running.
Okay, server now running. There's our image. If we just open this in a browser.
It works, but it's not wrapping. But why are we not getting this on the client now?
Right.
Like, why is it not animating at all? I wonder if it's because I changed where play is happening. Could that possibly be it? So there's
here's a maybe, dude. I think I know why.
Please tell me.
So we were saying W instead of width. Let's see if this works. Let me see. Hold on. That would be pretty funny.
It'd be amazing.
Let's see. So this time we got a new URL. And okay, now the text is wrapped.
Okay.
That is really good to see. But we just have a set width, 500 pixels set width. I'm going to change this back to, we're going to put in here flags relative. Can you save the file? Because
yeah, hang on. Sorry, I was in the browser.
Saving skills are lacking.
Actually, it's logging behind. I'm still watching you type, so maybe we wait a second. What is going
Oh my
on?
gosh.
Do you see
VS
this?
Code.
So
Our,
that's
our, our
probably.
changes are stuck in the ether.
All right, hang on. I think that's it.
Come on, VS Code.
Nice. There we go.
You got
Okay.
this.
What's up, Craig in Orlando?
Okay.
All right.
Howdy.
Yeah, howdy. Seriously. All right, let's try this. It's not.
No.
Not. Yeah, it's not cropping.
Doesn't like that one. What happens if we just put the flags relative up from the overlay? I don't understand like the
So
logic behind the nesting and stuff.
here's a new thing. Uh, what like I'm interested why 500 pixels works for the width, but not 0.8. Are we sure that that should be a string? Like our Y is 80, which is a number.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't think it actually makes a difference in
Oh, okay.
the URL that gets generated. I'm looking at the URL in the console log, and it doesn't actually appear to
Got it.
have any effect. Like looks the same either way.
Okay. Okay. I'm at a
I'm
loss.
just looking here.
Well, why don't we just like set a width?
Yeah, we could do that. Now, yeah. Let me just see something. 1.0.
Width 0.9. This is what we want. You can't set the images. You can set the image's size to be as a relative percentage of the image's dimensions. So I'm seeing W as the property.
In the URL.
Oh, right, in the URL, not in the. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Not in the SDK.
Yeah. Okay. Here's a.
Maybe we need to add scale to it for the.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it. C fit and C scale, kind of contradict each other. So C fit allows us to do the text wrapping, but C scale allows us to set the relative width. So, for example, if you just open that
well, I can copy it.
Twitch chat URLs, but this is the meme we just created, but with C scale instead of C fit. So yeah, it would be really nice if we could do both.
Well, I think if we don't scale it, then we don't need to fit it, right? Like, can't we like if we can just get it to wrap, we don't need it to scale necessarily, right?
Yeah, but we just need to we want the box that it fits to be of relative width.
Yes.
But we can't do that unless we can't do that with the fit.
Interesting.
Crop, fit, and relative width. Let's see. Fitting image within specified dimensions. Okay. I'm reading more.
He's reading. And just to celebrate our lack of success up to this point.
We're good there. Text underlays, placing overlays, blah, blah, blah. Multi-line text. Let's see. I wonder if there's a way for us to determine the for us to like set the width of our eventual image, so we always know that our images are going to be resized down to 800 width, let's say.
Yes, you can
Then
do
we
that.
could just, yeah.
Yeah. Cloudinary resize. Uh, example node SDK. You could definitely resize images.
Oh. Dude, I think I know what we have to do here.
Here, resize.
I think I know. Okay, check this out. Check this out.
Okay.
In the chat, JS. Okay, I have a
Hang
plan.
on. Let me swing back through. All right.
So
We've got a
what we
plan.
can do here is we're going to apply multiple transformations, right? We're going to first say crop scale width 800, and then in here we just say width y
for the
is
fit. Yeah.
80,
I love it.
and x is well, I guess we can add, like, let's say we have
We've already got
between
gravity to the south. We don't have to really do any of that. Like width is automatically going to disperse from the middle, if that makes sense.
Just say 800 minus 160. So like our y padding is
640. Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. This is a
I like it. It's gonna work, folks.
Pretty.
80% are good odds.
It's so funny, dude. If you caught our stream before, you might have heard, like, it's like the Twilight Zone. Like,
it really is.
These lines keep reappearing.
That's exactly what we want.
Let's see.
That's what we want. All right. Sorry. Here we go.
No, I didn't notice it in the actual layout.
No, it didn't. It didn't come in the layout. I just saw it in the console log.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah,
right?
That looks great.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's good. The problem here that we face now is like, what happened to the Twitch integration? Why? Oh, I have to reload it. I bet. I bet it's just like broken. Yeah, it needs to be reloaded. Oh my God! Stop. Yeah,
it's so funny, the Y thing.
I wonder if it's because it's hot in here.
Six 140 pixels. It seems to be more offset on the X axis than the right.
I don't think so. You think the image is not centered?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh wait, maybe it is. The text is centered.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. But like the space from the left side of the image to the left side of the text is greater than the space from the bottom of the image to the bottom of the text, which is 80 pixels, like on the dot.
That's what you mean. Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably just like the way it's not a monospace like font, and it's probably just like the way that the spacing is. Like technically, it's starting at 80 pixels, but there's technically a little bit of space. Like highlight. We can't highlight the text, but I imagine it's because like the the space that the letter takes up, there's probably a little bit of padding around it as opposed to it being flush up to the edge, if that makes sense. Like, if I highlight
Yeah.
text in the page, like the way fonts are, um, it's not going to fill up like the exact space always. I can't highlight anything because my fucking mouse is not working. And I'm wrong.
That's all
It
right.
does go right to the edge of the letter in a lot of cases. Oh well, I don't know.
Yeah. This is probably there's probably an explanation for this, but I think this suits our needs pretty darn
Yeah.
well. So we'll take it.
Yeah, but now why is it not rendering? Like, why is it not popping up on the stream? Did we turn that off? Like,
Hmm.
like I haven't seen it. Have you?
I have not.
Yeah. So let's put play back here, just out of curiosity. And I want to see if it works now. Let's do another one.
Okay.
Are we still? Let's see. Let me do one. Let me fire something off.
Okay. Hey, thanks, Daniel. Enjoy the sushi, man.
Nice.
Hey, yes, you
It worked, but I didn't hear my drip.
Yeah, I didn't hear it either.
Yeah.
So it's like we get one or the other.
Yeah, it's like you can't.
Into the stars. Hello there.
But no. Whoop.
Yeah. Okay, so that works. Now here's an interesting thing. I'm gonna do the same meme again. Okay, and it works.
Yeah. But what happened to the sound?
What happened?
Maybe can you try it one more time? Because like sometimes it does this weird thing where like if I reset the sound, it'll like that layer, that source, it'll go. No. That's fun.
All right, Todd.
Nice. We'll see you later.
Lobster rolls.
I love lobster rolls. Yeah, I can't believe my mouse is doing this to me. Why are you doing it? It won't unclick. Like if I click something and then I move my mouse, it starts dragging the thing that I clicked on. It's very problematic to say the least. But that's okay. Yeah. We're getting there. So next question, which is, yeah, how do we get our sound back? What did I do?
Well, so if you refresh the page, it still doesn't work, right?
Yeah, no, still no sound.
That is weird. Sounds / water drop is a thing.
Actually, I have not.
Let's try doing that.
Yeah, I am going to do that right now. Turn it off and turn it on. Oh, you mean I'm talking about the mouse. I'm trying that. Oh, no, it's not working. Oh. Everything is hot because it got so hot in here. Yeah,
maybe that's why our sound is
all of the above. Yeah. All right, let's see. Hopefully that works. Okay. All right. What are we doing? Yeah. So why won't you work? Okay. Well, we don't need this line here. That can go away. This is where this was. Yeah, we don't need that either. Yep. This is where it was when it was working, and it was like boop. Maybe.
I remember.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So we cleaned up that, but let me go here. Should I just restart this? Like, has a missing dependency play? I wonder if it has to do with that.
Oh, dude. Yeah. You know what? You're spot on.
Yeah,
That is likely.
yeah, yeah. All right. Yeah, make audio happen first. Yeah. All right. Let's try it.
Okay. I'm wondering why. No, never mind, never mind. I think this will work. Huh?
No,
No drops. Do you have to restart
the
the
server.
browser source?
Oh right. Let me try.
Like refresh the
Yeah,
browser source?
I just did. Let's try again. I mean, not really because it's running locally, so it should be like hot reloading in essence.
Okay.
But I just reloaded it anyway. Um,
Yeah,
yeah,
no
it just
drops.
stopped. Maybe like I screwed up the settings somehow. No, control audio via OBS is set, so it should be working. Um, Crap.
Hmm.
Can someone unfollow and follow? Did we get that noise? Like, have all noises stopped?
Is it a loopback thing?
Hmm. Is it?
Yeah, dude, this is I don't hear the Oh, wait, now we're back.
Weird. We are reading the chat. Okay, that was really weird. Did that break when he did the follow? Like we lost all audio? Maybe I have too many audio inputs in like OBS and it's freaking out.
Is that a thing?
I don't know. I don't know. Do you want
I
to know
don't
how
know.
many I have?
Oh boy.
Chrome, follows overlay, host mic,
Okay.
launchpad layout, which actually doesn't need to be here anymore. Oh no, yeah, because it doesn't make any sounds. So let me mute that and get rid of it.
Okay.
Meme overlay. Whoa.
Okay. So, did you hear the zap that just came in?
Yeah, I heard the zap, but it went like nah, 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 nah. It was really weird.
Yeah. 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 Very broken up.
It does
Seems
seem,
like
yeah,
seems like the you're talking about the thread being
yeah.
blocked or something like that. Okay, here's a thought. Uh
But like, I think it's just my computer, dude. I think it's my
yeah.
computer. Yeah, it's hot as crap. And like my mouse is hot. I think everything is
That's
just
all
starting to
right.
shut down.
Hey, that happens. We totally did get it.
But we
And
got
we
it.
did and we did finish the like the cropping of the text.
Yeah,
Now like memes of any text length
will work.
will work, which is pretty great.
It is pretty great. Maybe it's already been an hour and a half. Maybe we just stop here for today so that I can let my
Let
yeah,
your
yeah,
computer cool.
yeah. Yeah, Craig. Yeah, no, I'm watching my CPU and everything else, and like it's okay, but the computer is hot. Something's going on here. But yeah, it was working fine earlier, but that's how it goes sometimes. Yeah.
It
I
sure
I'm gonna
is.
put my computer in ice water. That should fix it.
That'll cool it down.
Ah. Yeah, well that one worked because that's from somewhere. Oh wait, did that work? Did y'all hear that?
Yeah, Stream Deck. I mean, I heard it through Skype.
Yeah, okay, they heard it. Yeah. All right, cool. All right. Yeah. All right. So Stream Deck works. So it's just with these browser sources. So I don't. Please
Yeah,
don't do that anymore. Yeah, something's going on with the browser sources.
something is definitely going on there.
I think it's Chrome just dying. Actually, I
Yeah,
wonder. Let me do a little testy
some-
test. Let's
something might be
open up
having
Bold
a hard.
Activity Monitor and see what's
Okay.
going on with Chrome. Chrome might just be having old issues. Yeah, the problem
Okay.
is it could be as simple as restarting Chrome, but my concern is, um, oh no, it's OBS. OBS is just dying right now. It's OBS.
I see. Oh, okay. Well, that does make sense because
Yep.
I've had similar issues with OBS, like just becoming overloaded.
Yeah, and I wonder if it's because we've been using a local source and doing hot reloading and stuff like that.
We're really pushing it to the brink.
Yeah, we really are. Yeah, I've got like a really beefy laptop too, and it's funny because I'm looking at the CPU metrics inside of uh, OBS, and it's like, oh, you're only using like 40% of your CPU. I go into Activity
Mm.
Monitor. OBS is using, hold on, 1,309% of my CPU.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So because of that, I think this is a good time to call this for today. We got a lot done. And I feel like we're
Yeah.
in a good place. I could restart OBS, but then like the stream ends anyway, and we've already been at this for an hour and a half. As much as I would like to tidy this up and call it a day, I don't want to stop the stream and restart it. I feel like we'll just probably. Oh, can't pause the stream? Can you do that? I don't. I didn't know you could pause the stream
Yeah,
and
no, I don't.
restart it.
I've
Yeah.
never heard of this.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that, so I don't know. Yeah, well, the problem is we can't go on break. If I shut down OBS, it's going to stop the stream, and then that'll be it. But yeah, no, I got to stop up anyway. We're coming up on 5 o'clock here, so I think we'll just wrap up for today.
Yes.
We'll spend
Um,
digresses, yeah. We will, yeah, we'll just do like a tidy up episode next week to finish this
yeah,
out and figure out what we're going to do next anyway.
sounds good to me.
It just sucks because we were so close. We were on like a high note. I really wanted to just be like, yeah, perfect working memes, but that's
Dude,
how it goes.
honestly, I feel like that right now.
I do. Yeah,
I
yeah.
think that like we got all of we saw each of the individual kind of like end goal parts working
Yep.
on their own. Like when the sounds were when OBS was not, a ball of fire, sounds were coming through. We got the water droplet sound like we wanted. And then the important breakthrough was the text wrapping
Where
in
is
the
this?
images.
Yep.
That's like that's the main thing that we really needed. And so I'm about 80% confident that the next time
We start this
stream,
up.
it's just gonna work. Yeah.
I like it. I like the confidence. I love it. Okay, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out why ds.store is here. I want to just like get rid of this completely. It looks like it's in the root directory. So let's just do this. Let me shut this down. We don't
Okay.
need this. Update your VS Code. I will at some point. It normally auto updates. I'm sure it'll update soon. Oh, maybe that's what this is. Okay. What was I doing? That's what I was doing.
Hey, Craig, I hear that, man. We'll probably do that.
Boom. Perfect. Cool. Awesome.
Do you work for VS Code?
Yeah, I'm curious. Yeah, do you? But yes, I will definitely update that. Yeah.
You're very
Nah.
adamant that
He's
we
like,
update
nah.
our VS Code.
Nah, I don't. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Finish. Meme integration.
Right.
Need to test. Thanks,
Give me about 4 more years, Kyle,
OBS.
and then I'll do it if we're gonna be going on my
Updates
regular theme
theme.
update.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. All right, so I just pushed this, so now we're good to go. So I feel like next time
Awesome.
we could do like the overview of the whole feature, show them how it's working, start to finish. And then, that is hilarious. You followed Channel Raid from 2 streams ago. Well, get ready for a third, my friend, because we're
Yeah,
gonna
you're
raid.
just riding the wave.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, cool. But I think this is a good wrap up point. Next time we'll get this project, the old bow on it, and announce what we're gonna do next. Right? That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, and yeah, everybody coming from Jordan's stream from earlier, definitely drop a follow here. We stream multiple times a week on this channel, and we'd love to have you
Yeah,
here.
love to have you. Hell yeah.
Yeah. So I've got 2 options for a raid today.
Okay.
Option number 1 is a person who's actually creating a GraphQL and React app with Apollo. The catch is...
Wait, what?
Perfect. Catch is it's in Turkish, so we won't really be able to understand. But at the same time, I kind of want to give them the Apollo support because they're using us. The other option is Foxdog Studios is building a calming website for people to meditate. And don't we all need some of that in our lives? So
toss up for me.
That's where I'm at. What do you guys think? We'll get 1 for Turkish language GraphQL stream and 2 for meditation web dev stream. If you can, in the chat, please. 1 or 2. 1 Turkish. GraphQL.
You know what I forgot to add, and I've been meaning to, like a stinger, like a waiting, like while you're waiting for something to happen, waiting for the build, waiting for responses, kind of like a little little jingle, you know?
Music.
Yeah, elevator music. You got it. That'll be there next time, folks. I apologize for not having it now, but now you can listen to a rocket launch. You gotta do jazz hands.
All right. Well, we got
meditation.
We got one,
yeah, you win, Craig. Since you're hopping around anyway. Yes, 8-bit rocket. Yeah, hell yeah.
Well, we're gonna kick that off now. Yeah, everybody, thank you so much again for hanging out with us this afternoon.
Absolutely awesome.
Evening, morning, wherever you are.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you next time. Any last words, Kurt?
Just see you later. We'll see you on the next stream, y'all.
Peace out.